Hello everyone. So I was looking at this very nice question on the community, and we all know about what issue links can or cannot do in Jira, but sometimes people ask these questions differently, or maybe they have a different use case. Now we all know that in Jira we can create issue links, so one issue can be linked to another issue, and it is not always clear to a lot of people that these issue links are just links. And usually people create these links to have dependencies, like issue A is blocked by issue B, or issue B is blocking issue A. And when you have these links in place, then you can use this information to plan your work. And again, when you're using advanced roadmaps or even the timeline view of your single project, you will be able to visualize these reports. And there was a question actually on the community about sorting the cards that appear on the Kanban board based on these issue links. For example, if issue A is blocking issue B, then the board should display those cards maybe on top or maybe at the bottom. So basically, you know what issues you need to do first. Now, the thing is that that order is actually the rank. That is something that you need to either do it manually, or if you're using advanced roadmaps and if you're using sprints and issue linking feature, then it can potentially create a plan for you. But the thing is that if you have issue linking, then the order in which you want to do the work may not be super obvious or clear by just looking at the Kanban board. You have to basically look at maybe the timeline view. And this is something that, because you are on premium, I would say just use advanced roadmaps. I mean, advanced roadmaps can, because you will have data or issues from multiple projects. And you, of course, have the dependencies. And if you have dependencies and if you have configured Jira, advanced roadmaps plan, relying on a board, then using your dependencies based on the sprints that you may want to, plan the work, and of course based on the rank in your backlog view, you can then of course expect advanced roadmap to do some scheduling for you in some order. But unfortunately, if you're looking at the Kanban board, I don't really think you can. I mean, you can definitely run a query based on the issue links, but the order, I don't really think you can change, or you can use that linking feature. But this would be interesting. I'm just thinking how I would solve it, and maybe let me know how you would solve it. I think I don't really think there is any clear or proper solid solution for this, or maybe I'm missing something. If issue A is blocking issue B and there is a link, maybe you can create a quick filter. I think that might work. Let us create a quick filter on top and rely on the. But even with the filter, you won't really get the order, because when you're using the advanced roadmaps, you have the dependency view, right? That actually only focuses on the dependencies. But yeah, that is it. I thought I'll probably just make a video on this and talk about this. And if you have any better suggestion, let me know. I think I would just create a view of, rely on the timeline view or maybe advanced roadmap to solve this problem, because you will have visually the indication of what needs to be done first. And of course, if something needs to be done first, then make sure it is ranked properly. All right, that is it. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.